Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and this video is kind of on-demand video that a lot of people request me to upload the same video that I am uploading in my native channel. So ultimately what I'm going to say is the main purpose of this video is to compare yourself and compare my trading. Like, you started with the same balance, I started with the same balance. At the end of the day, what is your balance doing and what is my balance doing? Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you the same pro tips. Those who have been following me in my channel is like more than 5 years. And I constantly saying that there is nothing to learn actually. And I do not believe that learning can make someone profitable. You have already learned enough if you're following me in my channel and my telegram and everything and whatnot. So now it is time to show, or now it is time to give some tips how to make consistent profitable is one thing, but making money from the market consistently is the different thing. You can make money like 29 days and even blow the account in 1 day. So this is not the trading. This is basically you are trying to survive. So I'm going to give some tips, and I'm going to give you a very particular way how to survive with this in market and make consistent money. If you're following my channel for a long time, as I said, I have uploaded a lots of tons of education materials. Now it is enough. I think whatever I have uploaded, it is enough to understand the market. Now the time, those who are following me, to implement it in the real market and how to get the result and how you're going to get benefit from the market with those particular knowledge that you have gathered from me. So what I did before I explain everything, I want to show you something, which is this is the main profit view channel in Telegram. Those who are following me in here, this is not the something. So basically, this is the account that I'm talking about. If you're following this particular thread that I was posting it, so I deposited like on 7, not 7 August, I think it was 27 July. So it's been months that the update that I'm going to keep, and maybe a little short video that I'm going to post in future. Like, this is $400 balance that I deposited initially, and I have written everything here, like what lot size I'm going to use and whatnot and everything. So the $400 deposited balance, the last time you see it in this group is like $2,336. And as it's a weekend and it's a so this is the let me open that account. So this is the last balance that I have for now, is like 2,500 and 38 dollar point 63 cents. So I was uploading this in details in my native channel when the balance was is like if you look at here 2010, and the last week update was like 14 August. So today is 23rd August. In between we have 2 weekend and everything. So now what system I followed, everything that you already have seen in my channel, that I am following a MSnR, and also just little bit other like order flow tools and everything. This is what I am using for that particular account. Now how I started with 0.01 lot size, no layer, nothing, just $400 deposit. Once I reached to 1,500 US dollar, I started to use to 0.02, and when I reached to 2,000, I started used to 0.03. So when 2100 hit, I started used to 0.04. My plan is to use till 300, 3,500. I'm going to use 0.04, then 0.05. So plan is eventually until I hit 10K in this particular account, and all the update that I will try to give in this particular channel a little bit, not like this long video. It's a very short video. So I'm not going to use more than 0.10, which is the final till the 10K. And the tips that I said that I'm going to give, which is what I did, I was not trading as a whole session. I was only doing one session 1 to 2 trade, and this is the result. So now I said, like, you do have a lot of information in internet, or those who are following me in my channel. The job is to apply now what you have already knows. Now look, why I am making that video. This video I already made in my native channel. So few of you request that you do not understand perfectly what I'm trying to explain. So can I explain it in English? So now here I am. First of all, like, look, whatever knowledge you have, whatever, you divide your trading in three phase. Phase one, you try 100 live trade. Phase two, you, so in that 100 live trade, you do not need to win very big, then go to next phase. And the final phase is last 100. In this last 100, trust me, do not matter whatever system you're following. If you do and track your every trade, you are going to get automatically 60 to 70% win rate by automatic. If you do not, and all the experiment that I'm trying to explain here, you can do it only $100. Okay, so once you finish your this 300 live execution, if you're seeing like your balance is not growing, or you're not growing, that not the thing that I want to say. If you blow your balance, like the $100 you blow, that means the system that you're following, it is not for you. Either you are doing a wrong system, so you need to shift, or you need to change your system, or you need to improve your quality trade. So if the 300 trade do not make you money, that means there is no such thing you can improve in your system. Change the system, follow whatever system you want to follow. And the main thing I said, like, you take 1 to 2 trade, or max 3 trade per day. Whenever you hit two stop loss, your job is done. You do not need to rely on the market. You do not need to sit on your PC or setup. You just whatever it called, you just take a break, come back tomorrow, do same thing. So now what setup I'm using, those, a lot of people already know what setup I'm using. At the same time, if you have the ability to use, you can use this kind of tools. That tools will help you where the buyer and the seller is available. Then you go with the trend and whatnot. So basically, the main purpose of the video that I'm making today is like how I am growing in small account. So as I said, you have learned enough from my video. This is time to show you from that video, like what knowledge I already provide in last 5 years, and how you can utilize the same knowledge and grow your balance also. Okay, maybe I'm going to upload very short video, not long. And normally I'm not uploading any video nowadays. I'm totally focused on my own trading. So remain what you can do, follow this journey, and you can compare like what you balance doing and my balance doing. So ultimately what I'm going to say is, the main purpose of this video is to compare yourself and compare my trading. Like, you started with the same balance, I started with the same balance. At the end of the day, what is your balance doing and what is my balance doing? Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.